Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The AMG GT 4-door is entering yet another model year with even more updates. The nearly yearly facelift now are not a good indicator for the model, which is set to be killed off within the next few years. For 2024, the main update focus on the GT43 and GT53, which are received a design from bumper to make it look more muscular, to it look like a bad body kit. Under the hood, the GT43 makes 367 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, getting to 60 in 4.9 seconds with 168 mph top speed. Then come the GT53 making 435 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 in 4.5 seconds with 177 mph top speed. What is even more interesting is that these non-V8 models can be optioned with the, and I'm not joking with this one, a V8 styling kit with a larger grille, a wider air intake, and upgrade wheels. There is more to life standard equipment including an electric sliding sunroof and a wireless charging pad mounted between the rear seat. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.